Hello and welcome back to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my perfume collection. I'm completely obsessed with perfumes and I've been collecting them for many years. So I have got quite a big collection. This isn't all of them, but I'm just going to show you my favourites today. All of these perfumes you can find on lookfantastic.com, so I'll leave everything linked down in the description in case you want to shop any of them. Now, before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. So what I've done, because I've got so many, is I've categorised them into 3 different sections. So we've got fruity fragrances, floral, and then musky ones. So the first one that I wanted to show you is this one from Juicy Couture. Now this is one of those perfumes that would be great for your younger sister, or even, I mean, I've got it for myself and I absolutely love it, but it is definitely more of a younger perfume. So this would be great if you've never tried perfume before and you want to get yourself your first perfume. This would be a great one. This is the bottle as well. I absolutely love it. I think it's really cute and it's got like leopard print on it. Now if you've smelled some of the other Juicy Couture perfumes, they all smell kind of similar, and this one is probably one of my favourites as it's a little bit more grown up than the typical ones, but it's still got that really nice girly, fruity, fresh scent. So this would be a great one for your first ever perfume. Now the next perfume that I wanted to show you is this one from Salvatore Ferragamo. I think that's how you say it, but I'm not entirely sure. And it is their Ammo fragrance. This is another really nice fruity fragrance. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's really cute. This one is also actually on sale on our site at the moment, so I'd definitely get your hands on it now. The top note of this one is blackcurrant and rosemary, and it has heart notes of rhubarb, jasmine, and the base notes are musk and vanilla. So this one is again a really fruity fragrance, but this one is definitely more of a grown-up one. It also is still a little bit musky as well, so if you like fruity musky scents, then I would definitely check this one out. It's absolutely stunning and I love the sort of rose gold packaging that it's got as well. This would look really pretty on your dressing table. But they were the only 2 sort of fruity scents that I've got. The next I'm going to move on to floral. So the first being this one by Marc Jacobs. First, the packaging. I absolutely love Marc Jacobs perfumes just for the packaging and themselves. Like, look how cute that is. As you can see, I've used a lot of this one already. This one is really girly, really fresh. This one has top notes of wild berries and white violet. The heart notes are jasmine infusion and the base notes is sandalwood. This one is also quite sweet, so if you don't like sweet smells, then I would definitely stay away from this one because it can come across as quite sickly sweet. So if you don't like really strong sweet smelling scents, then I definitely would stay away from this one, but if you love them, then definitely get it. So another really nice floral one is this one by Dolce and Gabbana, and again it's got a really lovely flower on the top, which I absolutely love. This one has top notes of neroli leaves and papaya flower. It has heart notes of white daffodil and white water lily, and the base notes are cashmere, musky notes and sandalwood. So this one again is a little bit musky, but it is still really floral. If you love floral scents and you don't like the sweeter side of them floral scents, then I would definitely get this one. It's really strong floral, but it's also got that musky undertone as well. So it's very sexy, really nice for an evening perfume. Another great one for summer has got to be Bronze Goddess by Estée Lauder. This one is one of my all-time favourites to wear in summer. It's really fresh and every single time I wear it just reminds me of being on holiday. So this one is definitely more on the muskier side. The scent in this one is bergamot, warm amber and vanilla and coconut. So it is really summery, but it's also very musky as well. Oh, it literally just smells like holiday. There's no other way to describe it other than it smells like being on holiday. So obviously we've not been able to really go away this year, so if you want to reminisce, then I'd definitely pick up this perfume and get excited for holidays for next year. So this one has got to be one of my favourite all-time perfumes. I absolutely love it and I've nearly run out, so I need to get another one, and it is the Giorgio Armani Sea perfume. So first of all, I absolutely love the sleek packaging. Is so pretty. This one has got top notes of blackcurrant liqueur, heart notes of rose and freesia, and the base notes are oak moss. This one is quite musky, but it's still a little bit floral as well. It's super feminine. Every single time I wear this, I get compliments on how nice I smell. So this is definitely one of my absolute favorites, and I would really recommend getting this one. Out of all of the ones that I'm going to show you today, this has got to be in my top 3. Another one of my absolute favorites, and probably again in my top 3, has got to be the Chloe perfume. I absolutely love this one. This is one of them perfumes that I repurchase again and again and again because I absolutely love it. It's very strong, so if you don't like strong perfumes, then I would stay away from this one, but I love having a perfume that lasts all day, and when you wear it, someone instantly knows what it is. So this is the bottle. It's really just quite a simple one. I like how minimal it is. Mine is completely battered because I have had this one for a while. So it's got top notes of lychee, the heart notes are rose essence, and the base notes are amber. So yeah, if you really like floral fragrances, then I would definitely get this one. If you like the musky sort of side of the floral fragrances, because this one is really strong as well, and it definitely lasts all day. You don't need to wear a lot of this. This next perfume is so stunning. It's such a beautiful scent. Now this one is on the more luxury side of perfumes, and it is this one from Goutal. Now we have actually just launched Goutal on our website, so I'd definitely go and check them out because I know that you can't actually get this brand on many websites. But first and foremost, I just wanted to show you how beautiful the packaging is. This would be the perfect gift to give to someone at Christmas. I love the little like scarf that it comes with as well around the bottle. This would be beautiful on your shelf or on your dressing table. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it comes with like this little charm here as well. So the top notes for this perfume are iris, the middle notes are rose, and the base notes are raspberry. So this is definitely more of a muskier fragrance, but it is also a little bit fruity at the same time. It's one of them perfumes that I've never smelled like any other, and honestly I would just buy this for the packaging because it's so pretty. So they have so many other different fragrances as well, so I would definitely check out some others if the musky kind of scents aren't your style, because they do have many other ones. Every single bottle has a different packaging and different colours, so yeah, definitely go and check them out. I'll leave this one linked down below in case you want to shop this one. So this next one is Olympia by Paco Rabanne, and this is more of a oriental floral scent. This one has top notes of salted ginger and water jasmine. The heart notes are ginger blossom and green mandarin, and the base notes are cashmere wood. So I'll just show you the packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cool. It's a very orange perfume inside as well, which I really like. Yeah, this one would also look really stunning on your dressing table. A similar sort of scent to that one is the Dolce and Gabbana The One. This one is again an oriental floral scent. Top notes of bergamot, mandarin, lychee and peach. The heart notes are Madonna lily, lily of the valley, jasmine, and the base notes are vanilla, amber, musk and plum. This one is definitely more on the musky side of perfumes as well, but it's not too heavy, so if you don't like really heavy scents, then this is a great one to go for, as it's still quite musky but it's quite light. Now the last scent that I wanted to show you today, we're actually going to be giving away to one of you lucky viewers. So if you want to enter the giveaway, then make sure you comment down below why you want to win this perfume, subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. This is the Alive perfume by Hugo Boss, and this is one of their Christmas gift sets. So in here you get the 50ml perfume, and you also get a 75ml body lotion. So this is what the gift set looks like inside. The perfume has top notes of blackcurrant and rosemary. The heart notes are rhubarb and jasmine, and the base notes are musk and vanilla. So this one is also again quite a musky scent, but it's also very fruity as well. This one is also really good because you get the same scent in the body lotion as well. So yeah, we're going to be giving this set to one of you lucky viewers. So if you want the chance to enter, I'll leave everything linked down in the description. So make sure you follow all of the rules, and we will be announcing the winner very shortly. So that is my perfume collection, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye!